Tableau allows to write calculations without even opening the Create Calculated field functionality or the calculation window. You can simply right-click or double-click on the columns shelf or row shelf or even on the marks section to type in the formula you want. This calculation is sometimes called inline calculation or even ad hoc calculations. Since inline calculations are created at the runtime, hence they do not find a namespace on the data pane, but we can drag the inline calculation to the data pane and give them a suitable name to reuse them.